Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I'm making dry Bofrot and I hope you will like it. As I always say, no long talk biao AB2. Okay, let's get started. So I have 1 cup of water. I'm going to add some sugar, salt and vanilla extract to it. I'll mix it together and then put it aside. Now I have my flour. I'm going to add some instant yeast and nutmeg. I'm mixing it. Now I'll create a hole in between, then add my water. The water I mixed with salt, sugar and vanilla extract to it. Now I'm going to use my hands to mix the flour to get a dough. It's nicely done. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of margarine to it and then knead it a bit in the bowl and transfer it on a working surface. Now I'm going to knead it to activate the gluten in the dough. That will help my Bofrot to be airy, soft and nice. But if you have a mixer, you can use a mixer to get a very smoother dough. But if you don't have a mixer and you are slim macho like me, use your hands and knead it. So I'm going to knead it for about 8 minutes to get a very smooth dough. You can see it has changed and is looking very beautiful, smooth and soft. So it's done. I'm going to sprinkle some flour. Knead it a bit for about a minute. Look at that, looking very smooth and nice. I'm going to rub butter in a bowl and then put the dough in it. I'm doing this to prevent the dough sticking to the bowl. Now I will cover it and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. Now it's 15 minutes now and it has risen beautiful. I've sprinkled some flour on the working surface. I'll cut the dough into smaller pieces and then mold it round in a ball shape. So I'm cutting it like this because I will let it sit again to rise again. So this is the shape and the size I want. This is how I mold it. Very easy and nice. So I'll do the rest of it. Now I'm done. I'm going to cover it again to let it sit for about 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now. You can see it has risen very nicely. It's time to fry. Okay, now I'm adding some vegetable oil to my pan, which is on medium to low heat. I'll start frying the dough. So the oil is a bit hot, not too hot, because I don't want the bofrot to burn. Now I'll be turning it frequently to prevent the bofrot from burning, and that will help the inside and outside of the dough to fry very nicely and done properly. It should not burn the bofrot, and inside will be properly done. So I will do this till it's golden brown. My bofrot is done. I'm taking it out. I'll place it on paper towel to absorb or to remove some of the excess oil left, and then serve it with some chilled juice or drink. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe. Let's see. Let's test and see. Okay, look at that. It is smooth, soft, hot, smells amazing, and tastes mwah. And I hope you give it a try, and I know you will love it. Till next time, peace.